Good day, guys. Do you know that there is a setting that you need to turn off in your YouTube studio and YouTube will start recommending your videos? I know you don't know this, and me self, I don't know it till I made the research and I learned it. All these big YouTubers, they have been hiding this from us, but since I learned it, I said I'm going to teach you, my subscribers, my watch people. So I guess this is what you're gonna need. Please do it, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so each time I drop my amazing content, you'll be the first to watch them. Let's head over to our YouTube studio. Our YouTube studio in Chrome, not our YouTube studio app. Let's head over to it. So guys, to start this, you head over to your Chrome browser here and type studio.youtube.com. studio.youtube.com. So this is try out the YouTube studio app for the best YouTube studio experience. Download the studio app. Now you're not going to use the app, you're going to continue to studio. Click on continue to studio here and it's loading. Now this is my dashboard. Here. Then you click on you come here, you find where they wrote customization. Click on this customization here. Click on customization here, and this is it. Now you come to home tab. This where the right home tab. You come to home tab here. Then this home tab, and you come to for you. You click on more setting in the for you section. Click on more setting here and come over here. Previously my own was at all content as recommended. They say YouTube always updates the for you section with fresh content. Then here I click my own on recent content only. Make sure that your own is on recent content only. That's content you have published in the last 12 months. Make sure it is a recent content, because when your videos are in recent, when your channel is in recent content, it means that YouTube will take it as it will be less job for YouTube to push your content, because they will focus now on promoting the new content they are dropping. You know, like every year YouTube watch time drops. So after that year, they are now focusing on the new content. But when you click on all, when you toggle the all content on, it means that YouTube we have to push all the content that you have done in the past 1 year out. So it will be much work for the algorithm. Now you have to click on the recent content only, because they will not focus on promoting the recent content that you upload in your channel. So now you have to toggle on video, shorts, live stream, then click on done. That's not all. You also have to turn this home tab. You turn it on here, and then after that you publish. But I guess you know how to. Then you click on publish here. Click on publish. It is all done, because why the thing is not is still showing publish is that I've done my own already. So try and do your own. That's it. See you guys at the other side of the screen. Bye. So guys, I know you haven't turned this off before, but now you have learned it. Please do what, subscribe to my channel, because this your subscription will encourage me to do more videos, and also like this video so that the algorithm will recommend the video to other people who might not know about this setting, and also share to your friends who don't know anything about this setting on YouTube studio, and also drop in the comment section whether this video was useful. Please, I will be super amazed and grateful for your comments and engagement. I love you all. See your boy Mr. Kokus. I do entertainment videos, entertainment videos, that's comedy videos, YouTube tutorials, lifestyle videos, you know, you get the vibe. Vlog videos and all of that. Sorry for the background I'm recording my video. This is my shop, but you know this information is very vital, so I don't have to hide it or look for a verified place to do it, because I know that even anywhere that I record this video, that people that know the value of this video are gonna hang on it and watch them. So I thank you for your watch time. I thank you for watching this video to this extent. I love you all, my dear family, because you are my family. Without you I cannot do anything. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for today. Bye.
Oh my